One of the strongest partners in South Asia, India and Bangladesh are now facing their most difficult phase in decades. Political turmoil, rising anti India sentiment, and growing attacks on minorities. The big question is this relationship breaking down or merely being reshaped? Hello and welcome to the 18th episode of the Diplomacy Talk. If you want clear, unbiased analysis of geopolitics and international relations, subscribe to the channel and like this video because here we focus on questions that truly matter. In today's episode, we decode the India-Bangladesh relationship. The relationship between India and Bangladesh was formally shaped in 1971 following the Bangladesh Liberation War. The two nations shared deep bonds of history, language, culture, and people-to-people ties. Until August 2024, India and Bangladesh relations were considered among the strongest bilateral partnership in South Asia. On 5th August 2024, former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina fled Bangladesh and took refuge in India after a major political crisis toppled her government. On 8th August 2024, Professor Mohammad Yunus was sworn in as the chief advisor of Bangladesh's interim government. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was the first global leader to send a congratulatory message. On 16th August 2024, Prime Minister Modi and Professor Yunus held a telephonic conversation where India reaffirmed its support for a democratic, stable, peaceful and progressive Bangladesh. Despite diplomatic engagement, the situation in Bangladesh has worsened. Anti-India sentiment has increased. Violence against minorities has sharply risen. According to India's Ministry of External Affairs, over 2,900 incidents of violence against minorities have been documented by the independent sources during the tenure of the interim government. This has become a major concern for New Delhi. India and Bangladesh share a 4,096-kilometer long border with Bangladesh bordering 5 Indian states. Once seen as model neighbors in South Asia, the warmth in relationship has clearly declined. Despite political tensions, economic ties remain resilient. In financial year 2023-24, total bilateral trade stood at $14.01 billion. India exported $12.05 billion. Bangladesh exported $1.97 billion. Under the South Asian Free Trade Area, SAFTA, India provides duty-free, quota-free access to nearly all Bangladeshi goods. India also remains one of the largest export destinations in Asia for Bangladesh. According to Bangladesh Export Promotion Bureau, in financial year 24-25, Bangladesh export to India increased by 12.4%. Total exports reached $1.76 billion. Meanwhile, Bangladesh Bank reports that Bangladesh imports from India worth $9 billion in financial year 23-24. This shows that trade continues despite diplomatic strain. Before political crisis, both countries were expanding cooperation. On 11 July 2023, India and Bangladesh launched a mechanism to settle bilateral trade in Indian rupees. The goal was to reduce dependence on the US dollar, lower transaction costs and time, improve efficiency, increase overall trade volumes. Bangladesh's 13th parliamentary elections are scheduled for 12 February 2026. Since the ouster of Sheikh Hasina, the political turmoil has drawn strong criticism from both the Indian government and the Indian citizens. To rebuild trust, India will need to recalibrate its approach by engaging all stakeholders, managing sensitive issues transparently, and offering competitive partnerships to maintain strategic influence. The India-Bangladesh relationship is at a crossroad. Whether this phase leads to prolonged tension or a new beginning will depend on political stability, mutual trust and strategic choices made in the coming years. Until then, keep following Sawal That Matters for more such insightful geopolitical analysis. Let us know in the comments which country would you like us to cover in the next episode next Sunday. Thank you for watching.